Want to invest but feel like you're always broke? You don't need more income, you need smarter habits. These 7 lifestyle tweaks can free up thousands to start investing without cutting the joy out of your life. First, audit your spending, not your dreams. Most people think investing means sacrificing everything fun. Wrong. It's about visibility. Open your banking app right now and track where your money actually goes for 1 week. You'll find leaks. The subscription you forgot about, the daily food delivery habit, the impulse Amazon buys. Fixing these small leaks is the first investment you'll ever make. An investment in discipline. Next, master the 24-hour rule. Anytime you want to buy something over $50, just wait 24 hours. It's that simple. Impulse fades. Logic kicks in. You'll find that half of those must-haves were never that important. And that extra $200, $300 a month you just saved, that's your ETF or stock fund right there ready to work for you. Third, automate your wealth. This is non-negotiable. Set up automatic transfers to your investment account for the same day you get paid. Treat investing like rent or a utility bill. It has to be paid. When your wealth building is automated, you remove emotion and motivation from the equation. You just grow your wealth on autopilot, consistently and effortlessly. Here's a powerful one, the upgrade swap trick. Before you upgrade, whether it's the latest phone, a new car, or a bigger apartment, ask yourself one question. What if I invested that difference instead? If you invested that $1,000 iPhone upgrade every year at an average 8% return, you'd have over $100,000 in 25 years. Lifestyle upgrades can wait. Your wealth can't. But what about having fun? This brings us to the fun budget strategy. Cutting out all your enjoyment is a recipe for failure. It makes saving feel like a punishment, and you'll eventually burn out. Instead, budget for your fun. Allocate 10-15% of your income for guilt-free enjoyment. Dinners out, hobbies, travel. The rest goes toward your necessities, savings, and investments. This balance is what keeps you consistent for the long haul. Now let's talk about your environment. It's time to level up your circle. You become who you hang around. If your circle is always spending on fleeting pleasures, you'll mirror that behavior. But if your circle invests, learns, and talks about growth, you will absorb that mindset like a sponge. Join online investing communities, follow smart finance creators, and make money talk normal in your life. Your network is your net worth. Finally, turn side income into investment fuel. Start a micro side hustle. Maybe it's freelancing, reselling cool items you find, or offering a simple digital service. But here's the golden rule. Never spend that income on your lifestyle. Invest 100% of it. Think of it like unlocking a second financial engine while your main salary covers your life. This is how you accelerate your wealth without ever feeling broke. Building wealth isn't about making huge, painful sacrifices. It's about tiny, smart tweaks repeated daily. You can live well today and invest well for tomorrow. Every small choice you make compounds into the freedom you deserve later on. If this video helped you see money differently, subscribe to WealthSync and let's grow smarter together. Comment Invest Smart below if you're starting today. Your future self will thank you.